Welcome. In front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. To start a screen recording, you have to use the combination of three keys: string, left, shift, and then the fifth functional key at the top of your keyboard. It's located right here in the middle. So here it is. Here's the last key that you have to use. Okay, so once you press these three buttons, select the recorder feature right here, and then you can choose one of the three available screen recording options. You can either use a full screen recording, and to record a full screen you just have to click anywhere and the screen recording will begin. Now you can do anything on your screen and it will be shown on the recording. If you want to stop it, just click right here. Now the other way to record your screen is the rectangular recording. So you just have to select a rectangular area on your screen, which you can adjust by moving the sides and the corners of it. And once you are ready to start the recording, just click record video. And the recording will start, and again, to stop it, just click right here. And the last option is the window recording. So let's open the window, then use the three key combination, and then select the window recording option. And once you click on the window that you want to start recording, the recording will begin. And now to stop it again, click right here. Now to find your recordings, you have to go to Downloads folder, and here you will find all the recordings in WebM format or type, and we can rewatch them by selecting one of them or all of them. To delete the recordings, just select them, the ones you want to delete, and move them to trash by clicking this icon right here. And that's how you take a screen recording on this laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.